Alright, boys and girls, what's up? This is John from JJ Innovation Girls in the Peach, capital of the state, baby. Alright, so here is today's adventure on the short bed. Well, it's now a short bed. So, all this is auto metal direct. Did not need a bed floor, so I just needed the rails. So, and I did not want to waste the bed bolts. So I got some of these bolts here because I'm going to build a false floor. Also, going to raise these wide wheel tubs up all the way to here so I can redo all that. But got that good and go. So here's where I measured. I measured from here to the cab. I measured from here to this body lip. Can't measure there because that's radius. So I measured from there, from that body line to that body line, or from here to here. I got the same distance. Oh, I don't know what happened there. And then I measured from here to here, got the same measurement. And I've done the exact same thing on the other side. Right here, I measured from here to here, measured from there to the door gap, measured down there at the bottom, measured here, I measured diagonally, got a square this way. I measured everything before everything went together. I took this 1.5 by 1.5 1/8" angle. I marked the holes for the mounts. I mounted this. I'll take this off. All this will get took apart and sanded and blasted. But I got this there. Then I welded that. Make sure that was there. Make sure that was there. Also, right here, I'm gonna need a piece that goes all the way across there, which is 69 inches. I'm gonna mark all the holes, then I'm gonna mount the headboard to that, and then I'll weld it in the corners. Probably after it's notched and all this, probably gonna come off right here with a piece of angle and run all the way across and grab, or probably some 1.5" tubing, probably cleaner, grab from there all the way across and do the, I don't think it have to be done here because where this is at. And then once all that's done and these are raised up, then because these will have to go all the way up to here. Once that's done, then I can order the C-notch, go ahead and put the C-notch in it, and then go from there and do it step by step. I can put the old tail lights back in it so I can drive it, or get it so it moves, it runs down, but that thing is solid as nobody's business. And then for extra wild wheel tubs, and I want you to look how high that sucker is. Look at all that wheel well we're gonna have to fill up. But moving right along, tailgate's over there on the side, and put that on. So everything was done with this Miller-Matic. I appreciate every single one of you. Remember what I said, boys and girls, don't worry about the man up the road or the man down the road. Sweep off your own front porch where it's sweeping off anybody else's. Put God first, that loose end drag. Let's hope and take this amount.